Welcome to XIQ Note. Note is a breakthrough innovation that lets you read, listen, and take notes using multiple devices, such as a computer, tablet, phone, and Alexa. This lets you consume, capture, and save the important points from your content, no matter where you are or what you're doing. Regardless of the device or devices that you use to capture your highlights, they will be stored as notes in a single file so you can access and share them whenever you want. You begin by logging into the dashboard, which you can access on your computer desktop at www.ex-iq.com. Once the page is displayed, click on the Login tab in the top portion of the web browser. This will take you to a landing page where you need to click on the Here link located in the text. This will take you to your login page, where you will enter your username and password. When using Note, it is important to know that XIQ uses the term IQbook for all of your books, documents, PDFs, anything that you've had added to Note. Once you've logged in, you'll see the dashboard, which is organized intuitively, which enables you to find and use the information you need quickly. Across the top of the dashboard, you'll see the navigation headings, which read Dashboard, Term, Notes, How-To Guide, and your personal profile. The overall progress bar on the dashboard tells you how many IQbooks you've read and or listened to, as well as how many notes that have been taken. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll see a list of the last 5 IQbooks you've read or listened to. Also, on the left, you'll see the last 5 tags that you've used to organize your highlights and notes. Tags are how XIQ allows you to file and organize your notes. But if this is your first time logging in, there won't be any tags. In the center of the page, you'll see the cohort and module that you're enrolled in, which will contain all of your IQbooks. Let's review how to access your IQbooks. From the main dashboard, click on the cohort you're enrolled in. For this example, I'll click on Fall 2019. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a section broken down by class. For example, on my screen, you'll see Foundations of Nursing. If you click on Foundations of Nursing, there's a drop-down of the class, which is broken into specific weeks. If you click on Week 1, all of your content for Week 1 is displayed. Now that you know how to access your IQbooks on the desktop dashboard, let's go over how easy it is to make highlights. Open an IQbook. I will choose Week 1, Chapter 23. When you open up an IQbook, a screen will appear, and at the top of the screen, there will be a navigation bar. On the far left side, there is a toggle sidebar button that allows you to quickly navigate through your notes and highlights. On the far right of the navigational bar, you'll find a presentation mode, a print, and a download PDF, and a download notes button. Below the toggle sidebar is how you change the color of a highlight. Directly to the right of this drop-down box, you will be able to add tags or choose from an existing tag. Next, you have a quick highlight feature that appears as a boxed T. This is followed by a bookmark, a text select mode, the enable hand tool, erase, undo, and save all annotations button. Now that you know what each button does, let's go ahead and start highlighting. As you read through your IQbook, you're going to come across information you want to capture and save. You do this by highlighting or leaving bookmarks. There are 2 methods of highlighting your IQbook. The first is the quick highlight button. Let's highlight Pathogen, Week 1, Chapter 23, first page. When using the quick highlight feature, you will want to select the tag you want your highlights to be filed under. For example, Pathogen. In the drop-down box on the left of the quick highlight button, click into the drop-down box and select the tag Definitions. Next, select the quick highlight button. Make your highlight by clicking and unclicking the desired content. Find Pathogen and make the highlight. It will automatically make the highlight yellow. The next way of making a highlight is the text select mode. Select text select mode. Locate and highlight content on GI tract. Click and unclick on the desired content you want to highlight. A drop-down box will appear with 2 options. The box T will give the user the option of applying an existing tag or creating a new one, as well as leaving a personalized annotation to go along with the highlight. Create a new tag, GI tract, and leave a personal annotation. The second option in the drop-down box is a bookmark. Remember, after making a highlight or annotation, be sure to hit the Save button in the navigation bar. A green icon will appear, notifying the user that the highlights have been saved. Now that you've captured, tagged, and saved your highlights, let's look at the options for accessing and reviewing your notes. Go to the Notes tab. Select the module that you'd like to see your notes from, and then click Search. From this screen, you'll see all of the highlights, notes, and tags that you've ever made associated with that module. Within the specific page, you can also filter your notes by tags, the course, the week, the specific piece of content, and by date or date range. To do this, select the tag dropdown. When you do, you'll be able to see every tag that you've ever used. Select the tag of your choice, hit search, and see every highlight and comment you've made under this tag. Searching your highlights and notes by tag becomes very valuable when you're preparing for a test, writing a paper, trying to find specific information for a meeting, or trying to develop professionally. Not sure of the content surrounding a specific highlight? Simply click on the page number associated with any highlight, and the note platform will take you back to that specific IQ book, exactly where you made the highlight. Want to export your highlights and notes for further studying? From the Note tab, select your search criteria and click on Search. To export notes you've taken to a Word document, simply press the Export button and select Word. A Word document file will immediately begin downloading in your browser. Open the download. You'll see the title of the text and the page number where you made the highlight. In bold, you'll see which tag was applied to the highlight, as well as any personalized annotations. To get the most out of Note, be sure to use the Note mobile app and the Note desktop dashboard. Again, we want to welcome you to the XIQ community. If you have any questions about Note, an IQ book, or any features, please reach out to us.